Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Macabo. You're all welcome. New viewers, old viewers, you're welcome. In today's videos, I'm just going to show you our local native food from Sierra Leone. Have this in the morning breakfast or afternoon dinner. Yes, so it's easy to prepare. It's so healthy and tastes so delicious, guys. Try this Lafidi. I'm going to start with now the Lafidi, guys. You're going to need sardine, some okra, bonnet chili, pepper, some garden eggs, Maggi cube, rice, and then also the Benni. So guys, you're going to wash all your vegetables just like so and put them into the pan with cold water or warm water. Then cover with the lid and leave it to boil. Then also the rice is on the side cooking. You can always mix the both together to cook if you prefer. Then you can go with your own size, you know. So I like too much okra, guys. I love it. It's so nice with the okra, you know. This will help with your bowel to be soft. It's so good. That's why I love it. So guys, as you can see how I'm pounding it with the fork and the plate. You can blend it if you prefer, or if you want to just use the knife. Yeah. Then the chili, you add salt and Maggi, then you mash it up like so with the fork again to get it really soft. Then you do the same for the garden egg, guys. You can mix all together if you prefer, but some people don't like too much chili, so that's why I like to separate it like that. So with the sardine, you can always use any kind of sardine you prefer. You know, if you want to add fried fish as well, it's so delicious with fried fish. You can add that. If you don't have sardine, you can go with fried fish. So the oil, remaining sardine oil, that's what I'm going to add to cooperate with all this to have. It's so delicious. If you don't want to use that oil, you can always use cooking oil. So once the rice is cooked, just like so, let it cook really nice. You don't want it to be mushy. Cook it so nice like that, and you can use any kind of rice you prefer, guys. This, it's so delicious. This, we have it in the morning. This is specifically in the morning breakfast. Yes. So there we go. You just serve it to the way you like. Voila. Enjoy. So you see I'm adding a little bit of Maggi cube just to bring everything together. Then with the cinnamon seed, which is Benni, I'm sprinkle that on. You can add like palm oil or butter or your cooking oil or the sardine oil, just like what I'm adding now. Voila, it's all ready for you. It's so flavorful. It tastes really superb, guys. I love it. It was so delicious at the time I was eating it, warm like this. Okay guys, so the next one we're going to be doing now, it's the Wan Pot. You know, the Wan Pot, this is in the afternoon, you know, when we all sat down. We're looking for something to eat. You get your bonga fish, by the way, but I don't have bonga fish, but I'm using here meat. So meat, you can use chicken or bonga fish. You season your meat. In Africa now, if we're cooking it there, we don't season the meat. We just put everything, it cooked like that, you know. But because I'm using the meat, I will stir fry the meat, leave it to steam. Then I will go along and dice all the other chili and onions. Then wash the rice, put it aside. Once the meat is cooked, just I'm going ahead now and add some chili, hot chili, then with the bell pepper and onions, guys, you know, and then some tomato sauce. It was the flavor there. It's wonderful, guys. Then I'll add all the other seasonings that I got from Africa. That topic is coming your way, what to bring when you visit Africa. So as you can see, the stew is dried. Then I'm going ahead and add the washed rice and mix. And then you can also put the lid on once you stir everything up like this. Put the lid on for 5 minutes. Once it steam a bit, then you go ahead and add water. The water, once you put it to the top, let it don't be right up. So if you put like 2 cups of rice, then 4 cups of water. So in this case, once the water get to the top, you just stir it. Let it don't be too high up, just like so. That's the perfect, you get the perfect finishing once you cover it, it boiled. Add salt for taste. So once it cooked a bit, then later on you can feel the rice. If it's strong, you just go with the measurement, guys. Most of us, we know how to cook, guys. Yeah. So measurement wise, this stage, once you feel the rice is really strong with the water there with the rice, you can just add a little bit and leave it to steam. It depends with the pan you're using as well. So voila, you see, it's finished. Just topping with spring onions, guys. The flavor. I like flavor when I'm cooking, guys. It just bursting in the kitchen. So you see how the rice came out perfectly. It's not mushy at all, guys. The best part I like with this one pot, it's the burnt rice underneath. Like, Joe, I love this. Just like so, I love it. I'll be putting it. I'll be just eating that bit. It's crunchy. I love it, guys. So the next one now, don't forget to subscribe, guys, so that when you see more of my videos, you enjoy it, guys. So the next one is fish ball, guys. I'll be showing you how to fillet it as well. You just give the fish line like that. Once you give the fish the line, you go ahead and take the skin off. There is no need to scale the fish because the skin is coming out anyway. Then once the skin is coming out like that, go ahead and wash the fish, and you wash both of them. Then you go ahead and fillet the fish with a knife. I've got a full video that you can watch anyway, how to fillet your fish for fish ball. Yeah, I will link the video there. Then onions, chili, blend first. Put them aside once you blend. Then you go ahead now and put the fish inside the blender. You need the chop blender because don't use the other blender. This is the chop blender. You cooperate with your seasonings that you prefer. This is corn powder. So you go ahead and use like 2 spoons of the chili mix, then 2 spoons of all the seasonings I'm using, the onga and the cow spice. I'm using 2 spoons depending to the fish size you'll be using. The 1 Maggi cube I'm using there. Then with the corn powder, this is from Africa as well, guys. The full video is coming up, what to bring with you when you're coming back to the UK from Africa. It's so juicy, guys, what to bring so that you save money. So once you add all the ingredients, go ahead and blend it. So you see, this is the consistencies you want. You don't want it to be watery. If the fish is a bit watery, go ahead and add the corn powder. It's still good. So once you finish, you need some water to mold your fish ball just like so, guys. You can see how it's really dry because if the Huntu I will be making the fish ball, it's steam. If it's too soft, it will be falling apart. So you need that consistency, just what you saw. So I had to use oil as well so the fish ball will not stick into the pan. You can use any pan in this case. Put the fish ball first. So once you put the fish ball there, you go ahead with 2 spoons of any kind of cooking oil. I'm just using the groundnut I got from Africa. Yes, it got so much oil sitting at the top and it's so soft. Then once you add the oil, 2 spoons, and leave it to steam for 5 minutes. After that, you add boiling water. Small, you cover again, leave it to steam. That's your Huntu finish the next time you open it. It's so perfect. You see, pay attention to the heat so that it's not burnt underneath, guys. So voila, that's your fish ball Huntu from Sierra Leone. So nice, the flavor, the spice. Top it up with bell pepper and onions, then with some chili powder. This is just can. I got that from Africa as well. This is why I'm showing you the full video coming up, guys, because that way you enjoy your meal perfectly in the house, guys, and you save so much money. So the next one is Wan Pot again. This is the palm oil one. Yes. So you blend all your chili mix, onions, green chili, yellow, red with onions. Then you add your spice. This is all mixed. I've mixed them. So I'm just using 2 spoons. That way I don't have to put too much. Yeah, 2.5 spoons I add there. Then I'll go ahead and stir very well, guys. You can use your own spice resonate with you, guys, because we know some people are allergic to lots of things, guys. So I'm going ahead here now with catfish, then with bonga fish, dry one that I bought with me from Africa. So I'm adding it with this Wan Pot. Go, go, go. You can also use crayfish powder or dry fish powder in this stage. Just add 1 spoon or half in this stage. But I didn't add because the flavors, it was perfect already, so I didn't add more. Then you can go ahead and add your washed rice, guys. It's so good. I love this one pot. The boys will finish it that Sunday because I only get to cook over the weekend, So it was nice, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment for any video you want me to showcase for you. I will. So if you need to add a little bit of Maggi or salt in this stage, you go ahead before you add water, So this one pot, you can cook it basically like the first one as well. Once the rice is steamed, then you go ahead with boiling water again. So that way the process will be faster. So then you stir. If the palm oil, if it's a lot, you can always take it off. Then if the rice, if you mistakenly put too much water, you can always, like this stage, if you knew that the water is too much, like mine, the water was a bit too much because I soaked the rice for long, you see. So then I had to take some out of camera, guys, because I was tired at the time, so I took it off. So but it was still come out very well. It came out very well, guys. So you can always take out the water, then reduce the heat and leave it to steam. That's it. Top it up with some spinach. If you have potato leaf with spring onions, top it off and cover again. Leave it to steam for another 5 minutes. The next time you come, your one pot, it's ready. It's super. The flavor were just bursting in that kitchen. Lovely, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Yeah, show your girl some love. So the one pot, it's ready, guys. It's all ready to dish out. Join me. Yes. Look at that catfish there and the bonga fish. This was nice. Then my leftover chicken to finish up this. Yes, you can use leftover fish, anything you have to cook this one pot. You don't have to go to the market. Just use your leftover. It will come out very well, just like so. Yeah. I hope you like the video. Comment, let's share ideas, guys. Let me know which video you like to watch more. So this one is Gari Grun Soup, guys. When I made this Gari Grun Soup in the shop, Mama Joyce was laughing at me until I finished. Then she tasted it. Then other client came again. Then she tasted it. Oh my God. I had to make twice. It was so nice. So once you add water into the Garri, leave it to chill. When you leave it to chill, it's good. Just like you saw me doing. Then it was a lot, so you see I have to divide it because I left it to chill. Then you go ahead, you add your 2 Maggi cube, onions. The more onions, the better. Use sardine. If you have some fresh bonga, you can use it. But to be honest with you, with the sardine, it tastes even better. Then you use some of your cayenne pepper, your chili, your extra spice chili. If you don't want to eat the hot one, you can go with mild. Then you just stir. Sorry, guys, the light make it look different like here. I don't know, the light was a bit far. Then leave it to chill again. Then you have it like this. It was tasted so nice. Then you can also use red onions if you want. It's all good, guys. With the sardine, nothing will go wrong with that. Yeah, guys, I hope you like the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Show me some love, guys. We need to get to 10,000 or even 5,000 first, So the next one is boiled cassava, yams, or plantain, guys. I just cook it because we like eating it often in the house, at least twice a week. It's good protein, guys. So we boiled everything together. The cassava, yams, just boil everything together. You can always use leftover from the freezer as well, your yams or cassava. Then once it's boiled, you go ahead with the Benni again, the cinnamon seed. You can eat it just like so, or if you want, add oil or palm oil just like I'm eating it. Then sometimes the way we have it in Sierra Leone, we can eat it like so. Then we eat it with stew as well in the morning. This is morning breakfast as well, guys. Yeah, this is morning breakfast that they sell. They sell it in the evening as well with yebe, you know, guys. The next one, it's Garri and milk, you know, guys. These are all our snack. I am telling you, everybody have this in their bedroom. This milk, sugar, they have it. This is the last option we have when there is no food around. This is what we go for, guys. Yeah, so you wash the Garri very well. Once you wash the Garri well, you add sugar if you tolerate sugar, or you add the milk. You can also use fresh milk if you tolerate milk. So guys, yeah, we usually with this I just put granite, but we also have granite with the Garri with sugar dry like that. We eat it like that, not with the milk. But this is the Nigerian version. This is how we have our own. Yeah, just milk and then sugar with the Garri, guys. So the next one is mango cucumber grun soup, guys. This is all the ingredients you need. Once you dice everything, you pour it into the bowl you want to mix everything in. Then you go ahead with the Maggi cube. You know, you always go with your measurement. So I was using there like 1 Maggi cube. You don't want it to be salty. Then I went with 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You can use lemon or lime. It's more flavorful. It's good with the lime, so that's what I use. Then the sardine, we can use bonga fish, but I had sardine. Drain the oil. If you're using sardine, drain the oil, guys. Swallow. It's so nice. I hope you love the video. See you on the next one.